Welcome. In this video, we are going to master one of the most fundamental concepts in statistics, the mean, also known as the arithmetic average. We will learn exactly what it is, how to calculate it using the standard formula, and understanding the logic behind it. So, what exactly is the mean? In simple terms, it is the central value of a set of numbers. It represents a single number that summarizes the entire dataset. Think of it this way: if we took all the varying values in a group and smoothed them out so everyone had the exact same amount, that amount would be the mean. This is the mathematical formula you will see in textbooks. It reads, x bar equals sigma x divided by n. It might look a bit technical if you are new to statistics, but it is actually just a shorthand instruction for a very simple two-step process. Let's break down those symbols so they aren't scary. First, the Greek letter sigma. This simply means sum or add everything up. Next, x represents your individual data points or numbers. N is the count or how many numbers you have. Finally, x bar, which is an x with a line over it, is the standard symbol for the mean. Let's apply this to a real example. Imagine we are growing 5 plants and we measure their heights in centimeters. We have heights of 10, 15, 12, 18, and 20. We want to find the mean height of this group. Step 1 is to calculate the numerator of our fraction, sigma x. This means we just add up all our numbers. 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 18 plus 20. When we sum these together, we get a total of 75. Step 2 is to divide by n, the count. Since we measured 5 plants, our n is 5. So we take our total sum of 75 and divide it by 5. The result is 15. So the mean height of our plants is 15 centimeters. Here is a great way to visualize what we just did. Think of the mean as a fulcrum on a seesaw or balance beam. If we place weights on a beam corresponding to our data values, the mean is the exact point where the beam would balance perfectly, without tipping to the left or right. It is the center of gravity for the data. However, you must be careful. The mean has a weakness called sensitivity to outliers. Look at these two groups. The first group has all 2s, so the mean is 2. But in the second group, just one giant number, 100, drags the mean all the way up to 21.6. In cases like this, the mean might not be the best description of the typical value. To wrap up, the mean is simply the sum of all values divided by the count of values. Remember the formula x bar equals sigma x over n. It represents the balance point of your data, but always keep an eye out for extreme outliers that might skew your result.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.